Guys, so Robinson sa Pedro Hill. Sumakay tayo ng ano pero naglalakad pa rin eh. Ganun siya oh. Si Aldo yan sa taas. Yan. May mga sara oh. Sarang shop. Yan ang hagdanan. Libutin muna natin ang sa ilalim kung ano. Hello guys. So my subscribers who are speaking English, I'm here Pinoy Brita OFW at the Robinson Mall at Pedro Hill, Manila. I'm hungry, I'm looking for food, you know, and it's easy for me to go home because there is a station near to my hotel, so I just walk through Pedro Hill station and buy there or ride there. Why I say buy? This is until 5 yata. The fares are free, but you know what? That's Filipino money as well, Filipino tax money as well. So it's us who spend the money for free travel. All right. Yan, so Robinson Supermarket nandito pala yan eh. Yan. Tingnan natin kung may mga sabaw dito. Robinson Supermarket, tingnan natin. Kasi sabaw hinahanap ko eh. I want soup. Yun guys, Filipino popular food. Look at that. Oh my god. But it's not good for diabetic, yeah? Diabetic people is not good. Oh, look at this here. Corn dough. Nice. Nice one. And the drinks, Filipino drinks, favorite. Turmeric. Oh, look at that. Honey. Honey, sambong. Alright. Ano yun eh? Alibhon. Ang sambong. Sa Bisaya. Moringa. That's malunggay. Balunggay. Insulin tea. Provincial plant. Okay. Serpentina. We have everything here. We have ginger. Ampalaya. Nice one. Hinahanap ko sabaw. Look. That's all Filipino popular food. Look. Okoy-okoy. Ayan. Hanap tayo ng sabaw. Oh, mga maning. Yung peanuts. Flower, bulaklak. Yun, ang dami nila doon, no? Andun pa oh. Tapos, ano doon? Robinson Supermarket.